In this video we're going to go over Boolean operations in Python. And your Boolean values, they're just true and false with a capitalized first letter T and F. And you're going to want to use, if you want to check if a value is equal, you want to use is. So if check if it's the same, or it's called object identity. Let's see, check if equal, use is, and check if not equal, use is not. Alright, so now let's do a little bit of coding example on this. Create a Boolean variable called Python is great, and set it to true. And let's say let's just check the value here using a conditional. So if Python, and you could just if you wanted to just check if it's true, you could just say if Python is great. That's another way of doing it. Print okay. So now let's run that. And it outputs Python is a great programming language, because Python is great is true. Now let's change it up and let's say if not. I know I didn't write these two ways of doing it in the notes here, but I'll go over those ways next. But you can put a not in front of the variable. So if not Python is great, print is Python is not great, and else print Python is a great language. So it's going to print either one of these two, and you'll see that when I run it, it says Python is a great language because it goes down into the else, because I have a if not Python is great. I could have easily just said if not true, and it would be the same result. Okay. Let me go back and I'm going to start over, and I'm going to use the ways use it is. So if Python is great is true, print Python is a great language, else print Python is not a great language. And since it is true, you're going to want to expect to see this first line printed out. Let's go ahead and run it. And Python is a great language. Now let's try out the is not true. Alright. Let's switch those print statements around. If Python is great is not true, print Python is not a great language, else print Python is a great language. And run it. Alrighty, and that's the basics of Boolean operations and Boolean comparisons in Python. Say if you have a variable defined as second. Say if you have this set up already and you want to make sure that Python is great is a Boolean, you could check, you could use the is instance command. So you do like if comma bool, if is instance Python is great, comma bool, print this is a Boolean variable. Python is great is a Boolean variable. Alright. And run that. Else. First I'll say else print it is not a Boolean. It is a Boolean variable. Check it out, folks. Alright, and that's a little bit of playing around with Boolean variable in Python, folks. And stay tuned for the next video, which is going to be about numeric types.